In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic AI influencer Higgsfield. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate the site, use the builder, and generate a polished AI influencer with realistic features. Start by opening your browser and heading to higgsfield.ai. Once the homepage loads, move your cursor to the top navigation bar and hover over the character menu. A drop-down will appear. From that list, select AI Influencer to open the dedicated studio for building your character. Inside the AI Influencer Studio, look for the option to create new and click it. This opens a fresh project so you can start customizing from scratch. You'll see the builder panel on the right side of the screen. This is your control center. The live preview sits on the left so you can see changes as you make them. Begin with character type. This sets the overall foundation for your influencer's look and style. Choose the option that best matches the role or vibe you're aiming for. Whether it's a lifestyle creator, a fashion-forward persona, or something more niche, taking a moment here helps every later choice feel more cohesive. Next, choose gender. This informs facial structure and body cues. There's no single right answer. Pick what supports your creative direction and audience expectations. Move on to ethnicity or origin base. This setting shapes core facial features and cultural attributes. Be intentional and respectful with your choice, especially if your influencer will represent a specific community. Aim for authenticity and avoid stereotypes. Now select skin color. The goal is natural realism, so think about how this interacts with your lighting, wardrobe, and overall aesthetic. Tones that complement your brand palette and content theme will photograph and render more convincingly. Choose eye color next. Subtle adjustments can shift personality. Warmer hues can feel friendly, while cooler tones might read as striking. Consider contrast with skin tone and hair to make the eyes pop without looking artificial. Open skin conditions. Here you can add small details like freckles or texture that make the character feel lifelike. Less is often more. A hint of imperfection adds authenticity without distracting from the overall look. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Generate Influencer. The system will process your choices and produce a realistic model based on your configuration. If something feels off, return to the builder and fine-tune settings. Iterate until the preview reflects your vision, and you're done. Your realistic AI influencer is ready to feature in content, mockups, or concept tests.